World-class maintenance isn't just about fixing things when they break, it's about creating a culture of reliability and continuous improvement. Let's look at the key elements. 1. Proactive maintenance strategies. World-class organizations focus on preventive and predictive maintenance. They aim for a mix of 10% reactive maintenance, 30% preventive maintenance, and 60% predictive maintenance. This approach minimizes unexpected breakdowns and extends asset life. 2. Asset management and reliability. Top performers use reliability-centered maintenance, or RCM, to identify critical assets, understand failure modes, and implement targeted maintenance strategies. They also achieve over 95% asset availability for critical equipment. 3. Planning and scheduling. World-class maintenance teams plan meticulously. They aim for 80% of work to be planned in advance, less than 10% emergency work, and 90% schedule compliance. This level of organization maximizes efficiency and minimizes downtime. 4. Inventory management. Best-in-class organizations maintain optimal spare parts inventory by achieving over 95% spare parts availability, turning over inventory 2 to 4 times per year, and using predictive analytics to forecast parts needs. 5. Technology utilization. World-class maintenance leverages technology, including advanced CMMS systems for work order management, IoT sensors for real-time equipment monitoring, and mobile devices for on-the-go maintenance. Continuous improvement and training. Top performers invest in their teams and processes, providing more than 40 hours of training per technician annually, implementing root cause analysis for all major failures, and regularly benchmarking performance against industry standards. These world-class standards might seem challenging, but they're achievable with the right approach and tools. That's where OXmaint comes in. Ready to take your maintenance to world-class levels? Visit OXmaint.com to learn more and start your free trial today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more maintenance insights. See you in the next Maintenance Mastery.